In this video, we are going to create our first enemy. So for doing that, we need to make another capsule to create a 3D object and another capsule. And we make it 0, 2, and 0. Now we will move it a little bit far from our layer. Then we call it enemy 1 maybe. Then next thing we are going to kind of change the color of it. So in the material, I will create a new material and enemy, change the albedo color to red, and then give it to our enemy. So now we are going to add our script to our enemy. We want our weapon and object pool. For the object pool, first, and we need to make a weapon for our enemy. So in the prefab, I will tag our bullet there, and yeah, we need to I make it infinite ammo. So let's make a weapon for it. So our player has already a weapon. And let's duplicate it, Control D, and drag the second one to our enemy. Then and give the weapon 0. So 2, oh no, 0, and then here also 0. And our weapon is now there. Now I will drag the weapon there. We want to have a weapon in the x-axis. Let's bring our enemy to other side. Okay. And our weapon in our enemy have the muzzle, so I will drag the muzzle to our muzzle in the enemy. Now there we come to our bullet speed at maybe 10 and shoot rate at 0.4. And then create on the start also at 5. And we don't give it to current ammo or max ammo because it's infinite ammo. So now let's go to the map to make it a little bit bigger. So I will make it 2 by 2 by 2. Oh, then make it 0, 1. Okay, 2, 1, 2. It's big enough now. Now let's create some obstacle. Now let's rename it to ground before we create the obstacle. And then here at map, I will create a 2D and cube. We'll bring it up, scale it at 2 to 2. Going to material, create a new material for color. Where is the material here? I will say stone. The color go for the stone. Then I will drag it to our obstacle we name it a stone and duplicate it and duplicate it. Over here. Now we need to make a nav mesh. So navigation, we need to go to window and AI and navigation. As you see, we have a new window here. So now I will click on our ground. Here, as you see, our ground is walkable. And so if we choose the stone, I will click first on the ground here. Yes, we want to make it static, so we cannot move it, and make it walkable. That is our so enemy can walk on it. Then I will choose the stone. Click on static again, but this time I don't want the enemy walk on the stone, so not walkable. Then click on bake, and I will bake it. So now our enemy will be able to walk around this color full ground. But here, as you see, in the stone we have a green, so light green. If I make it big and bake it, so it becomes bigger. That means our enemy cannot walk to this line here. But for now, I want just it to be as a normal default one and bake it. So in the next video, we are going to write a script for that.